Hi guys, this is Navzad, and as a part of Learn Train Share series, today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Sway. Now, what exactly is Microsoft Sway? Microsoft Sway is a collaborative presentation platform which allows you to create visually stunning presentations, documents, newsletters, e-portfolios, reflective journals, and there is a lot more you can do with Microsoft Sway. Now, to start with, there are two versions of Microsoft Sway. The first one is your Windows app version, and the second one is the web version. In today's video, I will show you how to access Sway and how to create Sway. All right, now let's get started. Okay, web version can be accessed through 2 points. One is through your Office 365 homepage. All right, on the left hand side, you would see list of apps. Now be mindful that the Sway is not part of the initial list of apps which are available. So you have to click on all apps. All right, you have to click on all apps, and from here you can go down. All right, and from here you can click on Sway. All right, if you are anytime, anywhere on Office 365, in order to access Sway, all you have to do is click on the app launcher. Once you click on the app launcher, these are the frequent apps used by me, so it will come over here. But if it does not reflect over here, all you have to do is click on all apps, scroll down, search for Sway, and then you click on Sway. Once you click on Sway, it will take you to Sway's page. All right, so you will see two main options over here. One says new blank Sway and the other says start from a document. Now new blank Sway is where you will start from a scratch. You will start editing your Sway, creating your Sway, and this is start from a document. So if you have the content already arranged in the form of Word document or an Excel sheet or a presentation, all you have to do is just click on this, upload it from your device, and Sway will do the rest. Right? Now, the second access point from web is through sway.office.com. Now, this is a preferred way. I usually prefer making Sway from sway.office.com because if you would see on the top, you have an additional advantage over here which says start from a topic. Usually on in Office 365, you don't have this option. You only have create a new Sway and then start from a document. But this gives you an additional option of start from a topic. And then this too remains the same. That is create a new and start from a document. Now, when to use this one, start from a document. Basically, you will use start from a document when you are making a Sway on a particular topic, all right, for your class, for your students, or for yourself. All right, all you have to do is just type the topic which you're interested in. Suppose I'm interested in photosynthesis. I'll type photosynthesis and I will just say create outline. Now what Sway does is it will pick up information from internet regarding photosynthesis and it will outline for you all in this manner. See, it has picked up most of the important information on photosynthesis and it has arranged it for you. Now it will form a base for your Sway. Now all you have to do is you can rearrange the content, you can delete the content, or you can edit the content. Whatever you want to do, you can do it from here. This is the advantage of using start from a topic option. Now this one says start from a document. So if I already have the content, as I said before, so suppose I have a content which is there over here on my desktop in a Word file. What is a reflective journal? All I have to do is I have to open it in Sway, right? So it will take a little bit time. We'll just wait for a moment. Now this is what it does. Okay, now it has arranged all the content which was originally there in the Word document in a Sway form, right? And all you have to do is you just go on design and you will see how beautifully it has arranged all the content from the Word over here. Okay, and this is way more attractive than what my content was looking on Word document. All right, so this is one of the advantages of using Sway. All right, now going back, most important thing which we'll be doing today is creating Sway from the scratch. All right, so I will click on create a new Sway. So once I click on create new Sway, you have to remember a few things over here. All right. Now, what currently we are in a storyline view. All right. In a storyline view, you have a default card. All right. Now, these are called as cards. You will be arranging your content in multiple cards by just clicking on this plus sign. Now I'll get back over here. The other view is the design view. So storyline view is the place where you will be arranging, editing, customizing your information, whatever you want to do. And then finally, you will go to the design view where you will do the final touch up when it comes to the orientation or adding few filters here and there. All right, so that's your design view. So let's start with the storyline. Now, suppose I have already, if I want to make a sway on Charles Darwin biography, now in order to save time, I already have the document ready from where I just have to copy paste few things. So let's get started. So I want to do it on Charles Darwin's biography. So I will just go over here, click on it, and I'll add a title to my sway. Right, Charles Darwin biography. Okay, looks good. But what I can do more with this is you have an option called as emphasize. Now, this is the same option as you get in Word and Excel, which says make it bold. So instead of bold, it says emphasize because you are emphasizing the text. So you mark the text and then click on emphasize. So you see it has done the job. Now, accent is the same job which italicizing used to do on Word and Excel. Over here it says accent. All right, so if I just mark it one more time and if I click on accent, it will italicize it. All right, then you can add a link. If you want to add a link from somewhere, you can create a hyperlink and just add it over here. All right, now I will add a nice background to my sway. Now, what Sway does is it will pick up word from your content and it will give you a few suggestions. So, like it has picked up Charles Darwin from my title and it is giving me option over here. So all I have to do is click on Charles Darwin and then I have to pick one good image of Charles Darwin. I think so. I am very happy with this one. I like this one. So I'll just add it. All right. Now, once I add it, few important things. You get this option called as focus point, which is just amazing. I'll show you what it does. All right. So it will give you a view how it will look on your tabloid or how it will look on your mobile. All right. Now, focus point is something like if I want to just focus on his head, I know that's a little funny, but if I just want to focus on his head, I will click a focus point on his head. So you see over here, it his head got focused. All right, his head got focus over here. All right, and over here it's just fine because it's a mobile view. Now I want the entire face, then all I have to do is I will just click it all over his face so that I get the face emphasized. All right, now see, now I can see the entire face over here. Okay, now I am cool with it, so I will just cancel this and yeah, let's go ahead. Now this things looks fine. Now let's start adding information about Charles Darwin. So let me add few ins. Now uh, it once you click on the plus sign, this is how you will be adding the next card. All right, now these are the few options which are suggested to us. These are the frequently used ones, which says heading, text, image, stack, and upload. Now if I click on text, I have got two options. One is the heading. If I want to insert a heading, I'll use this option, or if I just want to insert some text or information, I'll use this option. Third option is media, from which says that I can insert an image, a video, an audio, I can embed a tweet, I can embed a video, and I can finally upload things from my device. And this is a good option which says groups. So you can have group uploads over here. You can have a collage coming in the form of grid. And then this comparison is a unique, and I really like this, wherein if you want to compare between two things, like, if I want to compare between young Charles and the mature and the old one, I can use this option, which we will be using it soon. Then you can have stack of images. All you have to just click on each image and it will just keep on flipping. Right, so this is a good option. And then finally you have slideshows. All right, so for now I just want to add a little bit about Charles Darwin introduction. So I'll just click on text and I will add text. So once I click on text, I get this box. So I will just pick a few text from here. All right, so who was Charles Darwin? I will just take this one, Control C, and I will just paste it here. Control V. All right. Now over here, I have few more options. Apart from emphasize and accent, I can have my content, edited in a bullet form, or I can add numbers to this. I can create a list of this, or I can insert a link. Now, over here, you get this two option. This is called as a subtle emphasis, which will keep your text like this, and a moderate emphasis will zoom in on your text like this. And I usually prefer this because when we will be viewing our sway in the design mode, you will understand what exactly I'm talking about. So I'm happy with this. All right. Now, once this is done, let me write something. Okay, let me put a heading saying that early life. Early, okay, it's not getting back. EAR, early life. All right. I'll just emphasize on that a little bit. Okay. And then obviously something regarding early life. So I just have to go over here and just search early life of Charles Darwin. I click enter and then I see few images over here. All right, I have to pick one. I think so. I'll pick this old houses and I'll just drag it. Okay, it's done. All right, it's dragged and it's done. Again, if I want to see where it is exactly getting focus, I'll click on focus point. And then I think so. This is not a good view. I need to have something over here. So I'll just click on this and this and this and this. And this is how I can have the entire photo even in my tabloid view. All right. So now I'm good. Right. Now I will just add, okay, let's explore this option. Let's go to group and add a stack of images over here. So all I have to do is add content in the form of, you can add a stack of text, stack of image, or you can upload anything from your device. I would like to do this, and I would just pile up few images. One, two, you can select multiple images. Okay, that's one entire image, sorry. Okay, I can take this one, this one, this one, and I think so this one is the last one. All right, then I'll say add. Now it has added all these 6 images over here. Now believe me, this is not how it will look on your Sway. When I'll show you on the design mode, you will realize what exactly I'm talking about. All right, so let me just uncheck everything. All right, just uncheck, uncheck. I'm good with it, I'm good with it, and I'm good with this one also. All right, now all I have to do is click on this one and add something. All right, now what I can do with Sway over here is if I click on this and if I say add, all right, and if I go to media and then insert a video, I think so Beagle Voyage was one of the important milestone. Beagle Voyage. Okay, so okay, I like this video. I will just drag this video over here and leave it. I'll just type in Beagle Voyage. Right, and as usual I'll just emphasize it, and I will also do intense emphasis. Okay, all right, okay, fine. Now it also allows you to arrange your cards if you think that okay, the arrangement is not proper, like after early life I want this images, then all I have to do is I have to click over here. All right, and I have to drag this down. All right, so you have placed this card, the video Beagle Voyage, after the stack of images. All right, now let us explore that creative one which says let's go to group and comparison. Now if I want to compare, it gives the option of adding 2 things. If I want to compare between the young Charles and the mature one, I'll just write young Charles Darwin. I'll click on it and then it will give me, okay, we are still on videos. Okay, I'll click on images. All right, this is, I think so, this is pretty young. Yeah, this is young. Okay, I'll just add this one. All right, sometimes it will add it over here. All you have to do is you just have to drag it and put it in the first one. All right, right? And then if you want to compare it with the mature one, all I have to do is remove young from here, and then let's search. Okay, let's take this one and add it. Again, it will add it below. All you have to do is you just have to drag it over here and leave it there. All right. So you have created a comparison. Now I'll show you in a while how it will look. All right. So this is how you can keep on adding the card, and whatever content you want to use, you can use it. You can use different options from here as I've shown. These are all the options that you get. Now, once you are satisfied with your storyline, once all the content is added, all you have to do is you go to design mode. Okay, design view. All right, so by default, it looks like this. Okay, I think so. It is looking just amazing. Now, this is what I was talking about. This is group stack card. I just have to click on the first card and it will flip on its own. See this? Isn't it interesting? This is nice. All right. Okay, enough of playing with this. And then you have a video over here, which is embedded. All I have to do is just play from here, right? It will get play over here, right? Which I don't want it for now. I will just go back, right? And okay, sorry, we'll go to design view. Just cancel this. And then down. Okay, this is what I was talking about. This is the comparison photo of young and mature Charles. So see this? Wow, this is nice. Okay, this is nice. So I'll just leave it here in center. Okay, fine. So this is how it looks. Now, if you're still not satisfied with how the design is, all you have to go is click on the styles. Now, by default, you are in a vertical mode. All right, if you want to go horizontal, you can click over here and then you get the option of navigating on the right. And this is how it will look in a horizontal view. Okay, you can go for the classical presentation mode wherein each content will come on each slide. It comes like this, right? This is also good, all right, but I prefer the vertical one, which is a little different. All right, so this one is good. Now you have few more options over here, or a few more options, like you can go for this one. So it will make something like this. Okay, this is too flowery, but it is looking nice, doesn't it? Okay, it looks good, but let's keep it a little formal. So we'll click on this, and yeah, this looks good. Okay, I think so. This is good. Right. Now, these are the few options, but the favorite of mine is this option called as Remix. So what it allows Sway to change your design and layout for you. So you just click on Remix and it has done something for you. Now it is in the horizontal mode. I'll flip it in the vertical mode. So this is what Sway has done for me. Okay, it looks a little pink. I am not much of fan of a pink. So what I'll do is I'll just click on Remix again. So it will again do something and give me, if you're not happy, you click on it one more time. Right, so this is how you can, get it done. And, these are the few options you get over here. Okay, now let me click on this. Okay, so now I'm satisfied with whatever I have done. Now it's time to share it with my colleagues. So all I have to do is I have to click on share button. But before that, let me show you this option. It says play. Now in this play, how it will appear to others. All right, it will add transition and all. So suppose if I say play, so this is how the text will come in. It will add few transition to it. All right. Okay. Okay, fine. All right, so that's about how to go about playing this way. This is how it will appear for others when you'll share it. Okay, once I click on share, I have this three option. One says that you can share it with specific group of people. All right, now this is like either you share it with one person by entering the email, or you enter the email IDs of group of people and share it with them. One more security option you have over here is you can set this setting, like what the person can do with your Sway. Can he just view, or he can also edit? All right, so these are up to you, whatever you want to do. All right, we usually keep it on a view mode. All right, we click on this option, but if you want to collaborate with someone, obviously you need to click on edit so that the other person can do something with your Sway. Second one is those in your organization with the link. So this is the option which we will be using it most of the time. All right. And then this is a public link. Anyone with the link can do it. Now, one more good thing about this is it gives you a visual link. Now, visual link is a very creative way wherein it will create a thumbnail for you. Okay, so something like this. This is way more good than just copy pasting a long hyperlink. So I would suggest you go for getting a visual link. You copy this visual link and paste it anywhere you want to share from. Okay, so these are the few options. Then this is the last option which is available. This is more options. You go to my sway from here. You can create a new one. You can duplicate this way. You can save this as a template. You can print it. Now, if you want to maintain a hard copy of whatever you are doing on Sway, all you have to do is click on export and it will give you two options. That is either you want to convert it to Word or PDF. I would usually go for PDF. So if I click on PDF, it will export my Sway to PDF. And the PDA will also look stunning. Okay, I will just show you over here. It is opening. Okay, it is getting downloaded. Okay, it's done. I will just show you in the folder. Okay, and this is how the PDF is created. Oh, isn't it amazing? See? Lovely. I mean, you don't need to be like an expert in designing the content or anything. Even if you are a newbie, you can just do amazing stuff with Sway. Okay, so I'll just cancel this. Okay, I'll just cancel this one also. Okay, so these are the few things. Now, the last few things which I want to explain in this video are this. Once you scroll down, this is your view wherein it says under the edited tab, all the sways that you have created will come over here. All the sways which you have viewed while you were there on Sway will come over here. Analytics is like, I had created this small introduction sway for myself and there were total 5 views. Okay, and then how many people spent how much time and all those things comes under analytics, and this will give you some control over if you have deleted. These are the deleted sways. If I want to restore them, I just have to click on them and then restore it from here. All right, for now I don't want to restore anything, right? So that's about my sway. So these are the few options you get over here. Then you have a template over here. If you are not motivated enough to create your own or to start your own sway, all you have to do is you start from a pre-created version of content which is already available. Now if you want to make a reflective journal, the best template to go for is the blog one. All right, I personally find a blog template a good thing to start with if you are doing a reflective journal, because it looks something like this, and I think so this is nice. So this is how it will look. Once you like this, if you like any of the templates, it will show you this option, start editing this way. Once you click on start editing, it will take you on your outline view where I have explained you how you have to keep on adding cards and how you can just move around. All right, using the all sort of creative options which are given by Sway, and you can create your Sway. All right, so I'll just cancel this one. Okay. So these are the few things which I wanted to show you all, and I hope my video was informative and it would be of some use to you all. I will be updating you regarding any of the new apps or tech which I come across. All right, so stay tuned. That's all for now. Have a blessed day ahead. Bye bye.